Myself, Harpinder Singh. I'm working in Novotel, Hyderabad Convention Center. So today I'm going to make a nice cocktail. The name of cocktail is American Highwall. So first of all, I'll take a full of ice with glass. First of all, I will add 30 ml Remy Martin VSOP. Then 20 ml Kahlua. Then 30 ml Cointreau, that is orange based liquor. Then 20 ml lime juice, the freshly squeezed lime juice. After this all pouring liquor, so I will stir for a while. I will add some more ice. Then top up with soda. I will add a slice of lime. So my cocktail is ready. That is called American Highwall. So my cocktail is ready. That is called American Highwall. So have a nice sip with the elegant and a large and tall highball glass cocktail.